Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to clean mud from water tank full guide. Start by shutting off the water supply and draining the tank completely before you begin cleaning. Remove loose sediment with a soft brush, then scrub corners and fittings gently. Use a mild bleach or tank-safe cleaner. Rinse until water runs clear, and allow the tank to dry fully before refilling to prevent bacterial growth. Begin by inspecting all fittings, inlet screens, and seals for mud accumulation and damage. Confirm the tank material tolerates your chosen cleaner to prevent corrosion. Remove or isolate any electronics or sensors to protect them during cleaning. Lay out towels and buckets to catch runoff and prepare replacement gaskets if you disturb seals. Proper preparation reduces surprises and speeds up a safe, effective cleaning job without contaminating your water supply. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like to support more practical how-to videos. Quick recommendation. On long, messy maintenance days, I trust darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty for comfort and durability while working. They stay snug and last longer than cheap socks. Check the description for the product link and other deals to save time shopping, and now let's get back to the video. Start by removing as much mud and standing water as possible with a pump or wet vacuum. Apply a diluted bleach solution or a manufacturer-approved cleaner and let it dwell briefly to loosen organic matter. Scrub gently with non-abrasive tools, focusing on corners and seams where mud hides. Rinse thoroughly multiple times until water is clear, then allow full drying and replace any seals or filters you removed for a clean, safe system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.